This video is brought to you by 3, bringing you 4G at no extra cost.
We try and only unbox the newest stuff here on BTech, but every now and then something that's a little bit older but is incredibly cool comes in. We just want to share it with you. The Wacom Cintiq Companion is exactly that. You've got a graphic design tablet in there. Unlike the Cintiq Companion Hybrid, which we've seen before, this is a full Windows 8.1 PC. It's got an i7 processor from Intel, 8 gig RAM, available with 256 or 512 gigabyte solid state memory. This is an unboxing though, so let's take a look at the box. And you can see left hand side, you've just got some product name specifications, etc. Same on the front with a big image of the product. Now you've got the pen and you've got the tablet itself. So anyone who doesn't know, the pen is going to support up to 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity. So it's any graphic design, Fiend's dream, Illustrator, whatever you are, this is going to be the one that you will want. On the right hand side, again, you've just got the name of the product, and on the back you've just got the battery information, and that's about it. Nothing really too interesting up top or bottom. What we can do now, grab a scalpel and get slicing to reveal the Cintiq Companion. Putting the box to one side, we can show you the first thing you're greeted by is the tablet itself. And you can see there's some plastic that we need to unravel. Slide that out right there. And another piece of plastic right here, doubly protected. And there we have it. We have the Wacom Cintiq Companion. Putting that to one side though, we can take a look inside the box to reveal the black back plate. This actually has a piece of plastic over it, top and bottom side. Now it might look a little bit random, but what this actually does, we can pull it into frame along with the tablet. It clips on the back of the tablet. You have these little notches on the back, so you can actually wedge it in there and then clips like so. If we open that up, we can actually also see that it has multiple kickstand levels on here. So if we wanted to, for example, have the tablet on a kickstand, we can wedge it in here like so, and then it would stand. Putting that to one side, we can carry on looking inside the box. And this is a rather curious element, revealing a material casing for the tablet. We can slide that in a little bit later to show you how that all comes together, and that's another layer done. Now all that's left is what looks like a power block and software / instruction manual for the Companion. And on the right hand side you've got power connectors for different regions, including the UK, as well as the actual pen portion itself. Pulling that closer into frame, you can see you've got the pen. We can pull that out right there. Really easy, really grippy to hold. The reverse acts as an eraser as well for anyone who hasn't used Wacom devices. You've got a little wedge there, you can fit your finger under, 2 buttons right here, and of course you can change the nibs. Inside the box you've got a full set of nibs that you can choose. And if we yank this out, we've also got a range of colors that we can pick from in order to give your pen a little bit more customization. Putting that down and to one side, we can clearly see we have expunged the majority of the box contents, and we can just quickly pull in the instructions into frame, take a look inside, see what's included. If we pull that, we can also see there is a cleaning cloth. Always nice to get a cleaning cloth. So just a bit of information. We've got a quick start guide and Wacom Friends, so accessories for your Wacom Cintiq Companion. As for the quick start guide, we can take a look. AC adapter is just the box contents really. If we take a look, instructions as to how you can have it at a 22, 35 or 50 degree angle. You can also see ways of connecting it to other devices. That's how to connect it to power. Some instructions as to how to manage the nib. And you can also, for anyone who doesn't know, connect the Wacom Cintiq Companion to a TV external monitor in order to have it as a second screen. So like we said, unfortunately we can't actually talk you around the UI because it's not powered up just yet. We'll do that when we come to give this thing its full review. You can see on the front though, a front facing camera to the left hand side. On the right hand side, if you're holding it this way, you have a set of buttons. These are 4 soft key buttons and directional buttons as well. You've also got what looks like a lock that'll maybe lock the orientation of the display. You've also got a volume rocker, or what appears to be. On the top, no buttons or ports whatsoever. At the base, 2 micro USB 3 ports, a digital video out. You've also got a micro SD card slot and a power button, as well as a 3.5mm headphone jack, and nothing on this side. On the base of the device itself, you can see you've got some spacing for a fan, and you've got some key product detailing as well. So that has been our unboxing video of the Wacom Cintiq Companion. It's a very, very niche product, we totally get that, but we think you'll agree it's also very cool. Hopefully we'll be able to showcase some of the stuff it can do when we put it through its paces later on in the coming weeks. If you enjoyed the video, click like. If you like the channel in general, click subscribe. And if you've got any questions about the Wacom Cintiq Companion, fire them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.